Hello, Will's riding lawnmower, which I've been instructed to keep a healthy distance from all too often by Will in a yelling voice. What's that? Well, take you for a spin? Dude, I can't take you for a spin. Stop asking. What? You know why? Because cats can't drive, I'm told. Dude, I would love to. I dream about driving every ding-dang day of my life. But driving, I'm told by Will, is beyond my capabilities. Huh? I'm sure it would be easy. I know, I just climb up there, start you up, and away we go. Easiest thing in the world. But no, cats can't drive. Cats, can't. That was delightful and surprisingly easy. Almost makes one wonder what else he might be capable of driving with ease, were there only something nearby to aid in that musing. That was the easiest thing I've ever done in my life. Come on! That's it? Driving is simple, man. Take that, anyone who ever said a cat couldn't drive a van without a single lesson or the legs that could reach the pedals. Okay, what's next? Should be something bigger, something bolder, something like... If I had known that driving a fire truck was going to be that easy, I would have run off with one ages ago. Well, seems I'm an amazing driver. Probably should just get this thing back and call it a day. Yep, just call it a day. Enjoy the rest of your trip. What's that? Yes, it was my first time piloting a hydrofoil. Huh? Yeah, I did make it look incredibly easy. Okay, well, I've proven my point, and now I'm definitely done. Geez, I've conquered land and sea. What's left? What? What? Aw, seriously? Aw, you mean my dream come true was just a dream? That sucks. Wait, but what if it wasn't? Hey, Will! In recent memory, did I expertly drive a fire truck and pilot a jumbo jet? Nope. Crap. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked today's episode. Hey, please subscribe to the channel and join our almost 100,000 subscribers. It's free and just a button click away. Hey, you can watch other episodes there, and I will achieve my dream of driving one day, even if I have to start on this dippy kid's bike. Hey.